What is a chiropractor? I'm Dr. Gregg Gerstin with Align Wellness Center, and I help people to remove the blockages from their health so they can lead an amazing, fantastic lives. People often ask me this, and today I got that question asked on from one of our other YouTubers, and they said, "What is a chiropractor?" So I figured I'd spend a little bit of time with you here to explain what a chiropractor is, so that you can understand better and can help to make best decisions about your health and how you move forward. So a chiropractor is a person here in the United States that goes through a 4-year postgraduate doctorate program to understand the physiology, the biology, the microbiology, the chemistry of the body and how it works. Then they also understand the dysfunction of how the body breaks down. They also learn remedies, treatments, and modalities, or things that can be done to help the body work better without drugs and surgery. And it really focuses in understanding and utilizing the spine as a way of improving it. We get great notice as chiropractors for helping people who have had histories of lower back pain and neck pain, because that's the targeted area that most of our treatment winds up getting delivered. But what our work gets delivered to is the spine and the nervous system. Now, the spine and the nervous system winds up being the conduit that takes all the information from our brain to the body. So it winds up being responsible for connecting all the messages on what to do and how to do it from our brain to our body. So that is how chiropractic can help with so many far-reaching things, including things like vertigo, migraines, digestive disturbances, and reproductive disturbance, in addition to headaches, migraines, disc injuries, numbness, and tingling in your hands. If you've been wondering if a chiropractor is a good thing for you or your family, I find that it's the best foundation for your health and building your health and understanding when or where do I need to go for more advanced work. If you are curious as to whether or not a chiropractor is right for you, why don't we hop on a discovery call to figure that out? I'm going to put the link down below on how to schedule a discovery call so we can start to take the next step for you and your family. Once again, my name is Dr. Gregg Gerstin, and thank you for letting me be a part of your health.